Hello everyone, welcome to my Extreme Minimalist channel. So today I'm going to show you my Christmas tree, my Christmas decor. So normally during Christmas, I just have these few items to put around not around the house, actually just mainly in the living room. We don't have decor in the bedrooms, and we have just two items outside just to put like with lights, but that's it. As extreme minimalist, since I hate to have so many things, but actually before I'm really like hoarder, I keep everything, but slowly for like 10 years I learned that it's so hard to clean when you have so much stuff. So this is my Christmas tree that I keep it in the shed when it's not Christmas. So just this one, and then the skirt, and yeah, that was just one box all together, and then the Christmas tree. So it's easy. And then this is the dining table. And then for Christmas also, I will not cook that much. Most likely I will just have cake, cheesecake from Cake Box, and pizza like that, because my kids and partner doesn't eat really that much during Christmas, and most of the time before I'm trying to cook, I end up eating it. So I don't want to do it again. So 2 years I did that, so I have enough of it. So we have our plants here. I think I have so much already, so we will try hopefully this summer that I will not purchase anything. And then this is my TV stand. I only have this for decor. And then here, for those who are new, it's just empty because I don't have things to put there. Then here is just the game that we play, and then some charger, and this one microphone, and then laptop wire, because sometimes you want to watch something from laptop to the TV. And then here my printer, because sometimes I need to print something, and I don't want to put it in my son's room because I use my son's desk for my work, and it's too much, and then he likes to print something and he knows how to use it, so I try to put it there. And then, by the way, in the glass door, I just have this. So in the garden, I will have a comment down below if you want to have the shed tour. And then this one is just the same here, nothing that much. And then the couch, it's from Argos, and Himalayan salt lamp is from Tiki Max. And then this mirror is from The Range. I don't have lights before, but now I put the lights because it looks better, I guess. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. During Christmas it will be like this, and we feel the spirit of Christmas. So yeah, I will also upload soon my closet, because I have everything already, just I forgot to upload it. And then yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are inspired to be a minimalist also, because to be honest, it makes your life easier. Before, really, I have lots of things, and because I'm also like a saver, so it's so hard for a saver to through things. But now I just donate it. That's the best. Like sometimes I will purchase item, and then when I will arrive home, I think like, oh, it really doesn't fit me, I will just return it. But if I have things that it's expensive, or I feel like I spend money on it and I don't want to just get rid of it, I just donate it and think at least it will go to somebody who will really need it. So that's it, guys. It's really like, it's really hard to be minimalist. It's so hard that from time to time I really buy things and then regret and then donate it. So until now I'm still in the process. So I've been doing like 10-15 years actually I'm trying, because before it's like I tried to like arrange, and then after that I become hoarder again, and then I get rid of things again, and then I become hoarder again. So actually there's still a tendency, even like I'm minimalist now, there would be still tendency that I can be hoarder again if I will like you know, I will start buying things again. So yeah, once you're a hoarder, it's so hard to be minimalist. You need to be really extreme minimalist for my own sake, because I tried to be minimalist before and I always fail. It's because still you have things, but when you're extreme, it's for me, it's like easier for me. I don't know, comment down below. It's just my thought, because it's easier now that I am extreme minimalist compared to before I'm minimalist. So thank you so much guys, until next time, bye.